Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a hair curling tutorial on how I curl my hair. I'm going to be using this is going to be a first impression. This is the Revlon curling ton. I think it's a 33mm. I love that it's got a clasp on it, so I'm going to turn it on. It's got a setting so it can go from 140 to 200. I put it on 190. Then I'm going to put it over there. The things you're going to need for this is a comb, a brush and some hairspray, and then you can use sectioners or baubles. I can't find no bloody sectioners, so I'm gonna section this off like this. Curl that. I'll do the back off screen, so I'm gonna. And that's a look. My fringe, can we just ignore it, right? Because it's well, it's not in the best of shapes, I'll be honest. So I'm going to take a comb like that, and I'm going to take a section first of all like that, and I'm going to back comb the root a little bit. You can use a back combing brush, or you can use another comb, or you can even use a brush, but I'm just going to use a comb just to lift the root a little bit, to give it that little bit more of a volume, like that, so it already looks a bit, you know, better. Okay, so a little quick tip for when it comes to the curler wand. I'm going to show you on a piece of hair. If you go with the side like that, the way the wand is, it's not going to give you any kinks. If you go the other way, so like that, it will give you a kink. Can you see that straight away? How quick that kinked. So I'm just gonna I'll take this section first of all. We're gonna put down, drag down like that, and then we're gonna wrap like so. Leave it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then pull out. You know, I don't want it to be too big. If you want it to be even bigger, you can leave it on for longer. So again, taking the thing, clamping it down, and then roll. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm gonna go a little bit longer this time actually. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Gives you that bit of a bounciest curl, you know. Nothing too big, nothing too small. Take the section, divide it like that. Again, doing the same. Dragging it down, curling, and then wrapping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then let it go like that. Okay, and then we're gonna take this last section. So this is going to be a bigger one, so we're going to leave this on for a little bit longer. I'm going to drag it down like so, and then like so, and then start to curl. You can clamp it down, curl it, and then put it like that. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Like so. Okay guys? So we got quite like bouncy curls, you know, nothing too big. When it comes to curls, I either like them bouncy like this, or want them proper curled, you know, like that. We go on to this side now. I have got naturally curly hair. My hair's a multitude of colours right now. It's absolutely disgusting, but it's it will do for now. So drag it down like that. Can you see, guys? I'm gonna drag it till it's gone, and then we're gonna wrap like that. Like that. This is not a bad angle for me, I'll be honest. Cute. I got bloody 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, no, Then I caught my fish alive. 5, 6, 7, 8. Something like that. Like that. This curling wand would be absolutely gorgeous for pin curls. So if you wanted to go backwards on yourself, you would take the wand and you wouldn't go like that. You would drag it down as normal and you'd wrap it. Oh! Like that. Then I caught a fish alive. Oh, it's in my head. Like so. And then we're gonna do a 2 here. Again, drag it down, guys, until it is gone, and then wrap. Like that. This is an absolutely amazing wand. It's a barrel curler. It's by Revlon. I will post the link for it with this video. It's absolutely amazing. And I think I only paid £20. And if you know and watch my videos, you will know that I swear by Revlon. You don't need to buy expensive brands, guys. Honest to God. Like so. And then drag down until it's gone. And then I'm going to leave this one on a little bit longer this time. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Like so. It looks a bit odd right now, right? But when it all is together, it's gonna look cute. It's gonna look like Tracy Turnblad, guys. That's a look. That's a look. Okay, so now we're going to pull this section down. I'm not going to back comb this part yet. I'm going to get it all neat. Like so. Before we do that, we're going to spray those sections. Spray a little bit of the top here. Just a little bit, get it a little bit sticky. Okay, then we got our sections. Okay, we're going to do bigger sections on this section. We're going to take this and we're going to curl away. So I'm going to put it this way, put the wand around this way, put it like that, so it's the same way of the hair. Drag it down, like so, and then I'm going to wrap it and slowly. You know, it does make mistakes, it's fine, it happens, like that. Like so. So when it comes to the front section, I'm going to divide this into 2, right? I'm not going to go down. I'm going to slice it diagonal like that. I'm going to do this one first. So you can even curl it. So this bloody clasp thing, do my fucking head in. This. Is it hot now? No. God. So you can curl it like that, and then you can let go a little bit, curl it, you can let go, curl it, let it go, curl it, let it go, curl it, let it go, curl it, and you can leave a little bit of a spiral curl like that, or you can just do it, God, like that. What you could do then is take a clip, and that's a cute, bouncy but curly hair tutorial. And then taking the Got To Be hair volumizing. Got lipstick with it. Peach and cream on his hands. Taking the hairspray. This is actually good hairspray, but I wouldn't, if you could get it, get the Matrix one. It's a really, really good hairspray, that is. But Lydia, I hope I hope I done you proud by doing this tutorial. But you know, very bouncy.
Okay, so guys, thank you so much for watching. Comment down below what you would like me to do next. What hair tutorial, what makeup tutorial. What do you want from me? Do you want blood, sweat, tears? What do you want? Recommend 100%. This is such a good hair styler. I will put the link down below. Hope you have the best evening, guys. Bye!